Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to convert Google Drive photos to JPG. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you've downloaded an image from Google Drive, only to discover that it's not in the JPG format you wanted? Perhaps you're looking for a smaller, more universally compatible file type to make sharing and uploading easier. If this sounds familiar, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll guide you through converting your Google Drive images to the versatile JPG format. All you need to get started is a web browser and a stable internet connection. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to access Google Drive. Begin by navigating to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, you will notice a grid of 9 small dots. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click on it, and then select Drive to open your files. Before we're able to convert anything, the initial step is to download the photo from Google Drive to your computer. Once you're in Drive, locate the image you wish to convert and open it to view its preview. At the top of the preview window, you will see a download icon, which looks like an arrow pointing downward. Click on this icon to download the file to your computer. Typically, your browser will save the file to the Downloads folder, so make a note of the file name so you can easily find it later. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and search for a JPG converter. You will find several options available, so make sure to choose a reputable and trusted site. It's important to avoid uploading sensitive images to third-party services for security reasons. Additionally, if your file is particularly large, double-check the file size limits of the conversion site. Once you've selected a converter, head to the page and look for the Select File button. Clicking this will open a file picker, allowing you to navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the photo you just saved from Drive, select it, and confirm your choice. The site will then load your image, and you'll see an option to choose the output format. Click the drop-down menu and select JPG as the target format. Many conversion tools offer optional settings, such as adjusting quality or resolution. However, the default settings are usually sufficient for most purposes. After you've made your selections, click the Convert button. The service will process your image, which typically takes just a few seconds depending on the file size and your internet connection speed. Once the conversion is complete, a download button for the newly converted file will appear. Click this to save your new JPG to your computer. Again, it will usually go to the Downloads folder. Open the file to ensure it has converted correctly and appears as you expected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily convert photos from Google Drive, whether they start as PNG, HAC, or another format, into the widely compatible JPG format. This makes them ready for sharing or uploading wherever you need them. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to convert Google Drive photos to JPG quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.